Hey y'all, what it do? It's your boo Jaylen Vanity.
If you wanna go, I would not mind, but I'm not gonna drum it.
En la escuela con mi amigas mejor. We got Thalia, we got Ashley, and we got Kelly Kit Kat. Oh my God. We going on spring trip. We not going together, but we still gonna do that. Period.
We're gonna put them all together.
Period.
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 I did it.
Eduardo, you already know it's your time in the vlog. What's up, guys?
What is up, guys? So today we are going to spring trip. It's currently 2:55 and we leave at 3. This is my people who are we all going with. Everybody here. I'm pretty gone right now, so I'm just pass back the phone to Jaylen.
Hola.
Okay, guys, so it is 2:55 a.m. and
Too early.
it's too early for this, and we're about to get in the buses, and then Jaylen will catch up with you.
Hop in the bus and go vroom. Oh, hold up. Let me hit that bus down. Y'all ready?
Hey. Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, bust down, bust down.
Blueface, baby. Yeah, right. I'm everyone's fantasy.
Blueface, run it up. My name Purpleface. Hey guys, so these are my trip partners. We got Norma, we got Amoy. Oh, I feel so ugly.
You're vlogging?
Yeah.
Good morning.
Hello, over there.
See you in Austin.
Oh,
baby, because we not. Hi guys, we're going to the vlogging today. Hey.
Yumini, say hey to the vlog.
Hi. Let me see. I said let me see.
She acting brand new in front of the camera, like she.
Did you see how long I'm gonna do though?
Give up.
I don't know how to do this. No, people are looking. People are looking. Set up pictures. I'm gonna right so I just give big. You better time this music right. And I'm thinking, no, for real. If it's money right, you're not doing it right. It is like hey, you gotta
Hop in the whip and go boom. I want to see you bust down. Aquí chilando in the bus with these baddies. Con mi pinche amigos, güey. Can you play Quiero Fumar? That's my jam. That's my jam. Quiero Fumar. Thank you, Ashley.
Jaylen, I don't like seeing you. Can we both sit on the end?
Hi, friends. Aren't y'all excited? I'm geeked. Say hi to my vlog.
You are a geek.
Here where my good sis, period.
Okay, period.
Stop playing with us. We here, scholars, spring trip style.
Okay, period. What?
Hey, girls. So we about to do a little ASMR with my girl. We about to go ahead and munch and crunch on this Kit Kat, girl.
Munch crunch.
Munch and crunch. He not cute. The flavor? Is that a bit of cream cheese? Girl.
No.
Good morning. Good morning, y'all. I don't remember where it's at. Put on y'all headphones, whore. The things that she did. That. Hey, girl. So we currently on the bus with this good old black and white popcorn, girl. But we finally on this bus. It's 7 a.m. We had to be at the schools by 2:30. So we sat there for how many hours? Do the math. I can't.
According to my research.
I think that's about 4.5 hours. Don't be I ain't got time.
Black and white.
I ain't got time. But we on the way. Where we going? Where we going first? Texas,
We're going to
Southwestern.
Austin.
I don't even remember where we going. We going somewhere, and I'll tell you when we get there. Hey, girls. So you already know. We've been on the bus for a while. It's about a couple hours later. I don't know if my headphones have a knot, but I took a nap, which was cute. Now I feel better. So I'll show y'all the scenery in 1 second. Okay, girl, we are at Southwestern. Hello.
Yes, we are.
We made it. Didn't know where we were going, but baby, I'm here.
We
Hello.
were here on the bus for a long time. My hips are hurting.
Arthritis. Hello. I'm in pain. See y'all on the flip side. You already know, chilling at Southwestern. I look ugly. Oh my gosh. Where the net's at? Where the net's at? Oop, yes ma'am. Currently, you know, walking around Southwestern, you know, learning about the student to faculty ratio, 13:1.
Get your...
Their top, what is it? What is it? What is it called again? Top, whatchamacallit? What is it?
We don't know. Oh, their top majors.
Majors.
Kinesiology.
Business and communication. Period. Scholar things, baby.
Miss Blue.
I'll have to mute that most definitely. I'm dead. There's yellow.
See, look. If it's not made
by someone whose ancestors were maids.
yeah.
Thank you, girl.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah.
The life with the more realness. What is up with all these tomboys coming in?
If we was with Missy Minnie and Angela,
Missy Minnie would have been like, this is a school trip. This is a school. You said.
who did that?
I'm over here. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. You already know, prairie wife chic, you know, fashion, them all that. You already know.
That's too funny.
I look a hot mess. I think in my past life I was a Texas prairie wife. Like this is just the life that I wanted to live. Making my husband a good meal, some porridge, some dried beef.
You want some rice and chicken?
You want some rice and chicken? Like step out the two of us, nobody knows us. Get in the car like skunk. Staying up all night, order me pad thai, and we gon' sleep till noon. Me with no makeup, you in the bathtub, bubbles and bubbly. Ooh, feels like a pleasure, seems like we never act this regular.
Texas, the Lone Star. The distance look up, you get a really nice view of the Capitol from underground. On the north side that faces the University of Texas. At the top of the dome.
Girl, he on X game mode. He doing tricks with that thing, girl. Cosmic Cowboy. You better do your thing. Start with your little yo-yo flippy doopy scoopy thing. Child, please. Hey y'all, what I do is do Jaylen Vanity, and we're currently at the hotel. We're about to go to dinner in a second, so I decided to throw on my white turtleneck because, you know, that's my go-to. Okay, y'all, but y'all. The fit is the white turtleneck, my Levi's, and my Vans. So, yep. Just want to show y'all the fit, you know. Gotta stay ready. Like a little juke.
I can't take that.
Y'all are terrible. Okay. Let me see.
Oh my god.
Baddie! Oh, that's cute.
You knew I was that serious.
So we picked Torchy's. So we're currently in Torchy's, you know, about to slam on this food with this terrible lighting.
Move your hand, please.
Well, my bad, ho.
It's blurry.
On this Torchy beach. Cool, let's move. Let's push her back. You want to be in a video? Okay. La. Who that? Oh, that was you mentioning me. So what I'm gonna do? I got a good old nasty burrito, brother. The grinding. A lime on that?
Put a little lime.
A little lime. And look what I'm gonna do right now.
I'm trying to lock out. Period. And she's great. And she's good.
Can you eat me like this later?
No.
If they wanna go, I would